Hey! Today we're going to make the cool tomato head from Fortnite. This is a request I got from Ya10, so thank you very much for this request. To make tomato head, you're going to need some black and white, some brown, green, and red. I decided to use the color number 10 for the green, but you could have taken any shade of green, it's no big deal. Same for the red, if you have other kind of red, it's no big deal too. You can choose, you can even make the tomato purple if you want, you know. I also decided to make it only on one square because I wanted it to match with the burger I made previously. I could have made it bigger and maybe had more detail, but I don't feel that it's necessary. I find it cuter that way on only one square. You might have noticed a difference with his eyes on the final version. It's simply because at the last minute I decided to change the black from the bottom to the middle of the eyes because it was looking better that way, that's all. That's it, it wasn't very long today. For the next one, I already have some ideas, but if you have any requests, please let me know in the comment, I will be happy to make it. I will now thank you all for watching and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Have a nice day, bye bye!